In this section, we will learn how to check which applications are installed on an Ubuntu computer. Let us begin. First, click the Ubuntu icon used to open Show Apps. The application screen will open. Use the search field and type Settings. When the Settings application appears, click it to open it. The Settings window contains a sidebar on the left. Look for the option named Apps. You may need to scroll through the sidebar to find it. Click Apps. The App Settings page will open. On this page, Ubuntu displays a list of applications installed on the system. You can scroll down to view more installed applications. To find a particular application quickly, use the Search Apps field at the top of the page. Click the search field and enter the name of the application. At the top of the apps page, locate the option named Default Apps. The Default Apps page will open. A default application is the program Ubuntu automatically uses for a particular type of activity or content. Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more Ubuntu related guides and tutorials.